downstairs.
Play the dogs.
No. Babe, go check it out.
Alright.
Give my chocolate back right now. Sorry. Yeah, he thought he had me, huh? It's a good thing I got my awesome kung fu skills to rely on. And this concealment flag. Yeah. So, now I'm going to show you guys how to make one of these things and have some fun. So, let's break some pallets down and start this build. Oh, welcome to the Komar project. Now that we got our box built, all we gotta do is the flag. Well, and everything else. This is gonna look pretty wicked. I'm so excited. Let me explain to you guys exactly what's happening with this thing. So this is gonna be built kind of like a cabinet in a drawer. It's gonna have slides on the side, and then the mechanism is gonna just push it down so it reveals the compartment. But y'all won't find the guns. And then it's gonna have a really cool flag on top of it. This is gonna be one big flag. Oh well. So let's wrap this build up, build the actual carcass for it, and see what we can store in it. Let's do it. How cool is this? Now to make the flag, and we are. Alright, I ran some tests as to what I'm going to do with the paint, because I had no idea. And I wanted the distressed look, so I think this is going to be the winner. And basically, all that is spray paint over beeswax that's scraped off. And it's going to look pretty cool. So let's get to painting. But first, I need to clean off the sides since they're going to be glued. There's a whole lot of just drips on the side of it that I'm just going to take a block plane to it and see what happens. Alright, let's glue this bad boy up and finish this thing. Ain't nobody gonna be robbing us anymore. So there you go, guys. We got ourselves an awesome concealment flag that is motorized and can hide all of your cool weapons and knives and money and whatever else you want. Now, I love how this thing turned out. From the peeling paint on the stars and stripes to the pallet wood veneer, this thing looks awesome. And I hope that my friend Vinny, who this is for, is going to enjoy it as much as I did building it. Maybe I'll just keep it. Probably not. Now in 2016, Vinny and I were deployed to Afghanistan together, and we actually shared a room, which was more of a container, a Connex container than a room. And he actually let me have a little shop in there, so our living room was laid out with paints and other tools and other stuff, and he didn't mind. So when his wife asked me opinions on which concealment flag to buy him for their anniversary, I said, absolutely not. We're gonna build one for him. So the size of this thing is 57 by 34, and that cool concealment compartment is 51 by 20, which is long enough for most of your long rifles, pistols, knives, and any other valuables you might want to put in there. Now, the mechanics inside, it's just a regular old TV lift that I got on Amazon, and I'll post the link in the description. But basically what I did was I just inverted it, I flipped it. Instead of it going up, it goes down now. So if you guys like this flag and projects like it, let me know in the comments section below. I love hearing feedback from you guys. And if you really like this flag and are patriotic, make sure you share it with your friends and hit that bell notification down at the bottom so you don't miss the upcoming videos. Thank you so much for joining me on this experience. I love this flag. I love building stuff for you guys. I'll see you guys next time.